All right.
Oh,
So okay.
hmm. Langsung aja.
Yeah.
Hometown. Ya. I was born in
Hmm.
Cirebon.
Okay.
Ya.
You can talk about the situation, the place, anything. Yeah, anything. It's up to you. I won't stop you. Just speak anything you want to talk about Cirebon or about your hometown.
Nggak tahu mau ngomong apa.
Yeah, for example, Cirebon is very lovely city because blah 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 blah, something like that.
Apa ya?
Hmm.
Cirebon.
Hmm.
eh
Is it good or bad city, lovely, beautiful, or something you can describe with your adjectives, vocabularies.
Cirebon is a good city, but
Hmm.
there's so many motorcycles.
Hmm. Good.
It makes like traffic.
Okay.
Hmm, okay. Uh, the food is amazing.
Hmm. Okay. Good.
For example, like empal gentong.
Oh, okay. Empal Gentong. Right.
Terus, ya,
It's already 1 minute. You want to continue or you want to stop?
I just stop.
Uh,
Don't
okay.
know.
Yeah, yeah. We can start with this kind of small talk. Yeah. I mean that you can uh, you can be stimulated. Nanti bisa terangsang untuk oke, saya mau ngomong apa ya? Karena biasanya kalau orang sudah disuruh ngomong, saya bingung mau ngapaan. Nah, itu yang nanti akan kita kita buat biasa lah. Nah, tiba-tiba kadang, oh, can you talk about this? Alright, this apa ya? Nah, bisa dimulai dari karakteristiknya, dimulai dari opini kita, dimulai dari adjektifnya, sifatnya dan sebagainya. Oke, okay, but let me continue a little bit about your topic about the hometown ya. So the name of the hometown that you share to me is Cirebon, right?
Yes, Cirebon.
Okay. Is it big or small city?
It's a big city.
Big city. Okay. And how long have you been living in that place?
Uh, I don't live there.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Can you tell me? Uh,
Uh, but
you were born in Cirebon, right? Uh, but,
yes,
but
I
after
just
that, hmm,
after that I live in Cikarang.
oh, okay. On what age were you when you moved to the other city? How old was?
Maybe
Hmm.
2 or 3 years.
Oh, when you were 2 or 3 years, you moved to Cikarang.
Yes,
And then you said you are now in Bekasi. So you moved to.
uh, Cikarang is in Bekasi.
Oh, I see. I'm so sorry. I haven't visited some of those places. I do not know. Okay, next. Do you like your hometown?
Uh, yes, I like it
Why?
because Uh, I have my cousins there.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Mm.
I like to eat mm,
What is your favorite food when you visit your hometown?
nasi lengko. Nasi
Nasi.
lengko.
Oh, okay. And then, what do you like the most about your hometown?
Hometown. Apa ya? The food, just the food sih.
Oh, the food, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, you think that the food is delicious.
Yes, it's delicious. Like
And is there anything that you do not like or dislike about this hometown?
mm, nothing sih.
Nothing.
Nothing.
What about the traffic, the pollutions, or maybe there is no mall or something? You can just share it the things that you dislike, if any.
Mall, mall ada.
You can find mall, yeah, supermarket, something like that.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. Um, okay. Yeah, that is our short conversation for uh, starting our class. Okay. Is there anything you want to ask before we go to our material?
No,
That's it.
that's it.
Okay. Um, so let's start with the material first because okay, wait. Since we are going to talk about how to agree, let me start with this. Hmm. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Uh, in the first place, we have talked about simple present, subject plus verb one, and then last week, the second meeting, we also have talked about simple past, subject plus verb two. And then for now, we are going to talk about the other tenses, that is simple future. I know that maybe you have comprehend this kind of tenses because it's very simple. You just put auxiliary like will, yeah. I will go to school. I will go to the market. I shall go to the market or something. And then if you want to make it as a nominal, you just put I will be a doctor. You shall be a
Hmm.
pilot or something. So you just need to put will. Jadi tinggal ditambah will atau shall atau yang lainnya untuk simple future. And then yeah, and then for the time signal, if you know this, for example, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, tonight, soon, uh, anything related to the future things, future time. So you can use a symbol future. Okay, so let me stop to move to the other concept. Okay, I also have this material. Usually that maybe people are a bit confused is the difference between will and going to. But let me say we have yeah, simple future is to describe actions or event that will happen in the future. Anything yang akan terjadi di masa depan pakai simple future. Tadi sudah, she will study tomorrow, negatifnya tinggal she will not. Or you can use won't, ya, won't. But sometimes different. Kata won't yang artinya tidak akan dan kata want yang artinya ingin. Nah, itu bedanya adalah di penekanan tehnya. I want join this event. It means I will not join this event. Ada kata teh di belakang. Kalau kalau mungkin kita sadar ya. Atau I want to join this event. I want to. Nah, kalau want-nya biasa, tidak ada tidak ada penekanan teh, maka itu artinya adalah ingin. Jadi want sama I want biasa sama want. Nah, itu bedanya sedikit sekali. Tapi konteksnya biasanya bisa membantu. Next, negative and interrogative. So interrogative, just put the auxiliary, put at the beginning of this sentence. Will you travel next week? Sampai seperti itu. Nah, the interesting part is that you should be able to differ between will and to be going to. Ya, pertama itu will. Will itu simpelnya adalah digunakan untuk tanpa direncanakan, spontaneous decision. For example, I will help you with your homework. Itu sesuatu kegiatan yang kita nggak ada planningnya, ya udah saya akan aja. Nah, bisa juga pakai promise. Biasanya kalau kamu jambi I will, kan nggak mungkin I'm going to promise. Nah, nggak ada. Biasanya I will promise, I will call you later. Kemudian offering, I will help you carry those boxes. Biasanya kalau janji penawaran, and then general prediction. For example, I think it will be sunny day tomorrow. Ya, ini kayak tapi ini nggak ada basisnya, jadi general prediction. Nah, will itu digunakan seperti itu secara spesifik, tapi secara umumnya will adalah spontaneous decision, spontaneous action, sesuatu yang kita tidak rencanakan pakainya will. Sementara going to yang terencanakan, contohnya pakai plan, intention, prediction based on the evidence. Kalau ada prediksi tapi ada buktinya, you can use going to. For example, she's going to study medicine. Nah, ini plan. Sudah ada rencananya. We are going to visit our grandparents next week. Nah, itu juga planning. She's going to fail the test if she doesn't study. Ini prediction dengan ada bukti if she doesn't study. Nah, ada buktinya, saya pakai itu. I'm going to eat less junk food. Intention. Nah, itu ya. Sekali lagi untuk mempermudah, will tanpa planning, going to pakai planning. Nah, kalau misalnya saya nanya, I'm asking you that I am Nah, kira-kira artinya apa ini? I'm going to school.
Aku pergi ke sekolah.
Oke, kalau I am. Nah, kalau bawahnya,
Aku mau pergi ke sekolah gitu.
ya, good. Jadi, kalau atas, nah kita memang belum sampai situ. But let me just tell you that ini adalah present continuous. Subject plus to be plus verb ing. Ya kan? Kayak sama seperti I am playing football. Nah, jadi jelas. Pokoknya I'm going to, kemudian diikuti objeknya, tempat, waktu, dan seterusnya. Itu pasti present continuous. Artinya saya sedang. Tadi sudah benar, tapi kurang. Saya sedang, karena continuous kan sedang. I'm eating, saya sedang makan. I'm playing football, saya sedang bermain sepak bola. I'm going to school, saya sedang pergi ke sekolah. Tapi kalau yang ini, I'm going to go. Nah, ada kata going to. Verbnya yang mana? Verbnya bukan yang ini, tapi verbnya adalah yang go ini ya. Ya, go. Nah, jadi ini. Terus ini apa? Ya, itu tadi artinya sama dengan will. Jadi I'm going to artinya sama dengan will. Saya mau, saya akan pergi ke sekolah. Dan orang biasa menyingkatnya jadi I'm gonna. Ya, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to school. Akhirnya jadi seperti ini slangnya. I'm gonna go to school. I'm gonna buy. Gonna itu singkatan dari going to. Okay. I wanna juga singkatan dari want to, dan seterusnya. Okay, so that is. So what about this one? Can you fill out three the numbers will or going to. Number one,
Going to number one.
okay, you can just read the sentence.
She
To be-nya apa? Kalau to be-nya she apa? She
is
is.
yeah,
Nah,
is going to meet her friend after school.
oke, karena sudah direncanakan ya nanti setelah sekolah. What about B?
Hmm. Yeah, I think they are will will win the game.
Yeah,
Atau
I think they will win the game. If you put it evidence, for example, I think they are going to win the game because they are very clever, misalnya. Itu ada buktinya. You can put going to. But if you just say without evidence, without uh, proof, ya, you can just say will, ya. Kalau nggak ada bukti, kamu bisa pakai will. I think they will blah blah blah. I think they will win the game. What about the number C? Okay, C.
we are going to visit our grandparents
Okay.
next week.
Yeah, we are going to visit our grandparents next week because there is a planning, right? Next week, for example. So, whenever you want to say like planning, yeah, intention, you can use going to be. Nah, to be-nya disesuaikan. Kalau I am going to, she is going to, they are going to. Let me ask you just a little question about simple future. Okay, so answer my questions. What will you do next Sunday morning?
Next Sunday morning, I will I will well,
Oh, atau pertanyaan saya ya. What are you going to do? Nah, karena ini planning ya, sorry. What are you going to do for the next Sunday morning? For next Sunday morning, I'm going to blah blah blah. Bisa.
Sunday morning. I'm going to swim with my family.
Okay, good. And then, um, what are you going to do for your school holiday? What are you going to do for the school holiday?
Going to I don't have a plan.
You haven't got a plan yet, so you don't have any plan. Oh, okay, all right. Okay, so that is um the example how you can use will and going to. Is it clear for will and going to?
It's clear.
Okay, good. Let me go to next. Okay, as the rules that always says, just be confident. Yeah, I want to say three things that I always uh, told to my students. Just be confident, do more exposure, and then practice. Yeah, start with the confidence and get more exposure, and then just do the practice. Okay. Okay, the other material that is provided by the course, there is so and to. Ya, ada penggunaan so and to. Like to show your agreement, for example, kalau penggunaan to itu biasanya dimulai dari subjek, kemudian verbnya atau to be-nya, Ya, sementara kalau so itu dibalik, subjeknya ada di belakang. So auxiliary sama subjek, kita lihat. Nah, misalnya I am happy. Kemudian person B itu bisa mengatakan so am I. Kalau menggunakan so berarti nanti diikuti to be atau auxiliary, kemudian habis itu baru subjeknya. Beda dengan to. To itu subjek dulu, kemudian verb atau to be, kemudian to. Jadi kebalikannya. You look nice today. So do you. You look nice too. Nah, itu biasanya kita akan pakai. Nah, biasanya you look beautiful, atau gini, I really like apple. Me too. Nah, biasanya kita kayak gitu ya. Ada me too. Me too itu sebenarnya boleh, tapi itu informal. Ya, yang formal itu, paling formal itu biasanya pakai ini. Bentuk so ini. So am I, so do you, so would I. Nah, itu yang formal. When you want to use that in a formal situation, or when you want to use that in your paragraph or text. But if in dialogue, ya kalau di dialog biasa bisa, nggak apa-apa. And then I would love a coffee right now. So would I. Nah, diambil dari auxiliary-nya. Ini ada he will win a prize. So will I. I will want to. I will win one to. I can speak two language. So can I. Nah, itu lebih mudah. Jadi kita langsung identifikasi auxiliary-nya apa. I can swim. So can I. Gitu. Boleh me too. Itu juga boleh, tapi itu informal. Jadi nggak salah, cuma tidak formal. I can speak two languages. I can speak two. Nah, itu juga bisa. But this is the alternative way ya. So you should be able. Pokoknya kalau so subjeknya di belakang, kalau to subjeknya di depan. So as simple as that. Nah, ada juga penggunaan either and neither. Ini penggunaannya untuk setuju ya ataupun tidak. Misalnya I'm not hungry. Nah, kalau bentuknya negatif biasanya pakai neither. Ada dua cara. Kalau neither itu kayak penggunaan so. Jadi neither dulu pokoknya kalau penggunaan so sama dengan neither. Karena nanti so to be atau verbnya baru diikuti subjek, sama seperti neither. Neither dulu, kemudian to be atau auxiliary baru diikuti subjek. Nah, sementara either itu kayak penggunaan to. Jadi either itu selalu di belakang. Seperti I'm not hungry either. And then they do not speak French. Neither do I. I don't speak French either. Mary didn't go to the party. Neither did I. Nah, sudah kelihatan. Kalau negatif kan langsung kelihatan auxiliary-nya ya. Ada didn't, ada don't, ada won't. Nah, ini he won't stop talking. Kenapa ini bukan neither won't you? Kira-kira kenapa? Ini kan kalau ini jelas, ini ada am, ini ada do, ini ada did. Nah, ini kenapa tidak want, tapi malah diambil will-nya? Do you know the reason?
I don't know.
Ya, because ya ini sebenarnya sudah kelihatan di atas, karena neither ini sudah mewakili not. So you do not need to put not again. Ya mungkin
Oh,
neither will not you. Nah, itu double not. Ya. Jadi nanti double not. Makanya di neither itu tidak ada bentuk not lagi, because neither is already negatif. Neither itu artinya negatif, tidak. Neither am I. Aku juga tidak. I'm not hungry. Neither am I. Aku juga tidak. You won't stop talking. Neither will you. Dia tidak mau berhenti ngomong. Kamu juga tidak akan. Kamu juga tidak mau misalnya. I I cannot reach the top shelf. Neither can I. Nah, tapi kalau pakai either, karena either itu bentuknya tidak ada not-nya atau tidak ada negatifnya, maka eh, bentukan yang awal tadi tetap disertakan. Misalnya tadi I'm not hungry. Nah, terus kita mau ikut juga setuju untuk tidak hungry, ya I'm not hungry either. I don't speak French either. I didn't go either. Nah, itu. We couldn't hear them either. Sayangnya di sini tidak ada latihannya. But let me check. Okay, so can you make uh, can you follow my sentence? Saya nanti buat I will make just a simple sentence and then like I'm happy and then you can make with so and do ya. For example like this.
Hmm.
I am smart. Nah,
So
nanti so
yeah,
am I atau I am too. Oke ya.
I'm sure. Hmm.
And then I I'm lazy.
So am I. I am too.
Oke.
Hmm.
Nah, ini awal-awal ini kita coba mulai lebih tinggi. Um, you you play football well today.
So do you.
Hmm.
You do nice too.
You
You do
play
play well
well
too.
too. Ya, you play well too. Kalau pakai itu tidak ada perubahan, cuma ditambah to saja di belakang. You play football well too. Itu misalnya bisa. Uh, I would I would love a beautiful flower.
So would I. I would love beautiful flowers too.
Okay, good. The last one. I could run very fast.
So could I. I could run very fast too.
Okay, I think it's clear, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Now let's go to either and neither. I will start with the simple one. Uh, I'm not sleepy.
Uh, Neither am I. I am not sleepy either.
Okay. Um, we do not eat dinner.
Ne-
We do not eat dinner.
Neither do I.
Okay.
I don't eat dinner
I
either.
don't eat dinner either ya. I don't
Iya,
eat either. Sebenarnya I don't eat either itu sudah bisa. Kalau mau dihilangkan objeknya atau dimasukkan karena sudah mafhum atau dipahami di depan tadi. Oke, the other one, he won't stop driving.
uh, ne- he won't. Neither will you.
Mhm.
Uh, you won't stop either.
Ya, oke, the last one. I couldn't listen your voice.
Neither I. I couldn't. Apa sorry gimana?
I couldn't hear your voice.
Uh, Neither could I. Uh, I couldn't hear you either.
Ya, I couldn't hear you either. Oh, I couldn't hear him ya tergantung subjeknya nanti either. Okay, that's uh, because that is the topic today. Let's focusing on the other things. Hobby. If we talk about this hobby. Okay. All right. Oh, wait a moment. Oh, okay. So I think I will give one more tenses since we still have a time. Simple present, I think we have finished that. Simple past, simple future. And now the other thing that sometimes people are confused about present continuous. Tadi sudah saya uh, singgung sebentar ya. Present continuous artinya adalah sedang, subjek plus to be plus verb. Sangat mudah. Dan time signalnya yang ada artinya sekarang atau sekarang ini. Yang paling umum adalah now, right now, at present, at this moment. Now I'm playing football. Right now I'm eating noodle. At present I am studying very hard. At this moment I'm lying down on the bed. Misalnya seperti itu. Nah, let me share my things. Okay, we have talked about this. Oke, sebelum before we go further, can you rearrange this jumble sentence? Operate tomorrow, his Mr. Smith will computer. Ini tadi kita review penggunaan future. Coba number one.
Mr. Smith will operate his computer tomorrow.
Okay, number two.
Johnson will come to my house tonight.
Good. Next.
They will play in the yard. They will play football in the yard afternoon tomorrow.
Okay. Next.
We will go shopping Sunday. Next Sunday.
Okay. Next Sunday. The last.
She will visit. She will visit Temple Borobudur next month.
Next month. Okay, good. Nah, this one. So we are going to talk about present continuous. For example, this one is very easy to do the warming up. What is she doing? Yes, she is eating. What is she doing? She is praying. What is she eating? What is she praying for? And then the other thing. Tadi sudah dijelaskan bahwa rumusnya adalah subject plus to be is MR, verb ing, and you can also put object. For example, Aisyah is eating. And then if you want to put negative things, ya negatifnya subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing and object. And then interrogative to be first, and then subject and verb ing. Is Aisyah eating bread? Like that. Nah, this one is our exercise. How can you make the harusnya ini present continuous ya, bukan past continuous, sorry. Umar is cooking in the kitchen with his sister right now. Okay, can you go on?
Fatima and her mother are spending time with their family.
Okay. What about you put into negative form? Dibuat negatif bisa?
Bisa. Fatima and her mother are not ya.
Ya.
Aren't spending time with their family.
Okay. And then the next. Oh, interrogatifnya, sorry. Coba yang interrogatif yang tanya.
Are yang tanya ya. Are Fatima and her mother spending time with their family?
Okay, nice. Next.
The students are
Okay.
uploading ya.
Applauding ya. Students are.
applauding,
Hmm.
applauding as the winner gets the prize.
What is the meaning of applaud?
Applaud tuh apa ya? Nggak tahu deh apa ya.
Tepuk tangan.
Ya tepuk tangannya.
Applause like that ya. Applause itu noun-nya, applaud itu verb-nya.
Hmm.
Next.
My mother, uh, my mother are preparing dinner when I get home.
Oke. Negatifnya.
My mother are not preparing dinner when I get home.
Oke. My mother are not ya.
Are not.
The interrogative.
Are my mother preparing dinner when I get home?
Okay, good ones. What about this? Can you mention each of the picture? What is he doing? For example, this picture,
He is eating.
eating what? You can explain more. Nah, ini bagian kita memperpanjang kalimat dengan menggunakan present continuous.
Eating apa lagi? He is eating apple,
Apple, chicken.
chicken, and milk.
Okay, good. Next, this one.
He is reading book with his cat.
Okay, he is reading book while his cat is sleeping. Nah, itu juga bisa. Is sleeping on his book. Next.
He is drawing his pet, apa namanya?
He is drawing his pet,
His cat.
and the pet is cat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next,
He is playing baseball with his cat.
is it baseball?
Nggak tahu itu apa.
uh, I think it's like tennis. Yeah.
Ya tenis.
Nah,
Ya tenis nih.
okay. Now please put n yeah, because you should explain with two sentence. Ya, misalnya tadi he is playing not tennis, and his cat is hiding on the grass. Nah, itu bisa diperpanjang. Nah, sekarang coba buat dua kalimat. This one.
Tuh, itu lagi main mobil. He is playing Hot Wheels and his cat is watching.
Okay, good, nice. This one.
He is sleeping and his cat sleeping too.
Okay, the last.
Uh, he is uh, cat gigi itu apa? Washing teeth,
Brushing,
brushing.
brushing the his teeth.
He is brushing his teeth and his cat apa ini?
Menjilati kaki. Do you know how to say in English?
And his cat is licking
Okay. Yeah, licking
feet, feet foot.
his feet. Yeah, the difference between feet and foot is just if you focus on one, you can use foot. Yeah, but if you focus on two things, karena jamaknya itu feet, like brush the teeth, karena yang digosok gigi kan giginya banyak. But maybe one of his teeth atau tooth, nah tooth bisa merujuk ke satu gigi. Jadi the difference is that like mouse jamaknya mice, tooth, teeth, woman and women and so on. Okay, all right. So let's go to the other. But I want to share you this thing. We still have a few minutes to get start from now on. I think it's very helpful if you want to I don't know. Can you listen to this or not? Wait a moment. Let me log in first. Okay, continue. Okay, I will show you one of website that is online website. I don't know you know about this website or not. Oh, okay, let me wait. Sound possible if okay, do you know this website freefalltalk.com? Have you ever known this?
I don't know.
Yeah, Freefalltalk is very good for us because um, this website is connecting people around the world. Yeah,
Mm,
but you can only talk with them by voice. Yeah, it's like room chat or community chat. For example, you have ever known Make Treaty or something. I don't know for this era. Yeah, this generations, but it is a bit more like that. But we can also talk with other people. For example, you can just click that and then you will. Oh, the room is full. Yeah. The problem is that maybe sometimes the room is full, and then you should change to the other room that is still empty, and you can join because there are a lot of language. You can learn English, you can learn Indonesia. Usually, the people or person who learn in Indonesia, mereka justru datang dari luar untuk belajar bahasa Indonesia. Nah, kita fokus ke sini aja ya. You can learn Arabic, Vietnamese, and so on. For example, I will try to enter in one room chat. Which one? Uh, English and delivery. It's me. Let's. I don't know. Can you listen to the voice or not? But if not, uh, you can open this one. Yeah, free for talk. Let me just. Okay, let me start with my voice first. Hello, good evening. Hello. We are still waiting for the user to respond. Sometimes it's easy, but sometimes it's not. Yeah, because we try to find the partner. But if you have already got the partner, I think it's easy for you anytime, anywhere. You can access that, and then you can learn English whenever you want.
mm.
Because I think it's disconnected. I will just move, or let's see. Usually people come to this room, but if it is possible, let me. Susahnya itu memang cari partner, tapi kalau sudah punya partner bisa di add, bisa ditambah jadi temen. Nah itu kamu bisa. Dan usually you will get your friend from like Southeast Asia, negara Asia Tenggara, uh, Middle East countries, ya biasanya Middle East countries banyak yang belajar bahasa Inggris. Wait. Oh, oke, ini nggak bisa. Nah ini yang agak susah itu memang nyari. But let me try this. Just one ya, saya level. It is English level. Hopefully I can show you one. Okay. Oh, okay. And the good things you can also share this one. Ini memang nggak bisa ya. Kamu juga bisa kayak nonton YouTube bareng here. Ini ada opsinya ya. YouTube, Spotify, playing game and so many that you can do both. But especially when you already become a friend of them. Nah, kalau sudah temenan malah lebih enak. Tapi kalau mau sampai apa ya video call atau something itu kayaknya premium. Nah, ini saya yang apa free, jadi at least kita bisa nonton YouTube, bisa dengerin lagu bareng and the other thing that you can use ya. Tapi kalau sekarang ini kayaknya banyak yang harus premium. But at least here minimal chat-chatnya itu memang masih gratis. I haven't. Okay, if you want to try, you can also open in your laptop. I still want to find one, but I haven't got. Wait a moment. The English ada level. Let me. Sayangnya mungkin banyak yang dari India ya. You know the accent of India English ya.
Hmm.
English Indian itu agak unik. African English. My friend coming from zaman Dubai, Qatar, India, Bangladesh, Egypt or something. Banyak. But I haven't used it. And I also show this to my students, especially when they have gadget ya. Karena kalau punya gadget handphone itu kalau slow daripada nganggur daripada dengerin lagu mending cari teman apalagi kalau sudah punya teman dan mungkin sama-sama online misalnya. Ya, just you can speak with them and I'm sure at least with 1 or 2 months or maybe several months you will be fluent because you are practicing your English every day with your friend here. Okay, I haven't got one. This ini kalau nggak bisa ya sudah. Okay. Halo, good evening.
वीडियो वीडियो कॉल नहीं होती है ऐप में हेलो
Hello, can you hear my voice?
नहीं वो शर्मा काहे गाना में कच्चे करा सामने वाला
Yeah,
हेलो
yeah. Can you hear my
हेलो घर
voice,
का है
bro?
बेटी
Yeah. So where are you from? Uh, Fatan, can you listen to his voice? Bisa mendengar suaranya tadi?
Yes, I can listen.
You can.
Yes, I can.
Okay, so that is the example ya. But unfortunately, she comes from India, I think. Yeah, just left. So if you just stay in this room, some people maybe just come here. Ada yang mungkin datang ke sini, and then we can greet him, and then we can have some talk. Okay, so I think it's very useful for now. Saya juga because I'm a lecturer ya, saya juga membuat penelitian tentang ini and I think it's a bit effective ya for a person who don't have any partner because in English learning the problem is that you cannot find any partner but with this tool you can have your own partner but there is also some weaknesses, ada kekurangannya itu mungkin jaringannya nggak stabil dan kadang susah cari, you will find difficulties to find a partner ya, and also it's just random learning, jadi agak random, tidak step by step belajar ini, that is why it's good for you to have a class like this ya, kita punya kelas seperti ini. Nah tapi untuk praktis, nah you can also use this kind of tool to improve your English. Nah, untuk prakteknya selain dengan saya nanti you can use these tools. So you can try it later. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Is there any questions?
No,
No.
it's enough.
Yeah. And for tomorrow, as usual, I hope that you can prepare shot like like the previous one. Although maybe you are not preparing it, but you can just talk everything because again and again I want you to practice more. Saya senang kalau kamu ngomong kemudian mungkin ada salahnya. Nah, saya bisa kasih komen, saya bisa kasih feedback, and then you can improve with that. So for tomorrow, what kind of topic you want to tell to me? Do you already got topic?
Nggak tahu. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, so if you don't have any, I will give you some recommendation. You can talk about your inspiring person. Okay, your inspiring person. Just 1 until 2 minutes. Okay. My inspiration is my mother, my father, my character, blah blah blah, because it's very nice. And then I was inspired by the story, blah blah blah. Pokoknya cerita apa aja terserah, sudut pandang mana aja silahkan. Yang penting try to speak in English. Okay ya.
Okay.
All right. I think that's all. If you don't have any questions, we can close our class.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think that's all, Kak Fatan. Let's close our class by reciting Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much.
Thank
See you on Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.